Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you the tutorial of the shading process of realistic eye, and I have started covering the edges with a masking tape. Then I'll start the shading with an HB pencil. HB pencil is one of the lightest shades, and I'll do my drawing from lighter to darker tones. Now I'll add some shadows using H3B pencil. In this way I'll add shadows layer wise on each and every shading, on each and every layer of pencil. I will blend the pencil layers using a blending stump. For this time I have taken a thick blending stump because the area for which I'm covering is large and it will be easy if I take a bigger one. And I'm gradually shading from the darker tones to the lighter ones. I'll smoothen it using a flat brush. I'm using the blending stump to draw the cornea of the eye. The blending stump contains a very little amount of graphite on it, so I'm using this graphite to make the lighter shade of cornea. I'm using the same 3B pencil to build up different layers of the eye. At this moment I'm drawing the eyelid, like this is the base layer for the eyeliner, and then I'll draw the shadows and the creases of the eyelids, and in this way I'll gradually add shadows and I'll define the structure of the eye by this 3B pencil, and this will work as a base layer for my further shading process. And I'll blend this using the same blending stump. You can see I have attached the reference image on the upper right corner of the screen, and by observing every details of this reference image I am drawing each and every part of the eye. I have also shared the outline tutorial in my previous video. You can check out that video in the link in the description if you haven't already watched, and then watch this video because outline is the first step and it's a very important step also, and then you can try this realistic eye drawing on your own. In this way, by adding more and more layers and blending them with the blending stump, I'll build up the structure of the eye. And I'm using a blending stump because it gives a smooth base. Now I'll start drawing the base layer of the iris using the same 3B pencil. You can see in the image the iris contains some lighter shades also, so I'm building up this with the 3B pencil. Now I have taken a 5B pencil to draw the darker shadows. Actually these are the middle tones for the eye, and for the middle tones I'm using this 5B pencil, so keep watching how I'm building up the middle tones of the eye. I'm also using an HB pencil in between to merge the transition between the middle tones with the lighter ones. For the reference image you can check out the link in the description. Now I'm drawing another layer with a 2B pencil. मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता मैं 2B क्यों यूज़ कर रही हूँ, उसके पहले मैं 3B यूज़ कर रही थी, but at this time I felt like 2B will be the perfect shade. Now I have switched to 5B pencil and I'm using this to draw the medium layers. Also I'm using this to draw that eyeliner also, and then I will blend this with the blending stump, and gradually I'll add layer wise with the 5B pencil. I'll draw the waterline and then I'll blend this with a thin blending stump because the waterline region is little bit thinner part, so I needed thin blending stump for this region. Now I'm using a kneadable eraser to remove some of the pencil lines and give highlights, and then I'm blending this with a brush. After this I'll use a 6B pencil to draw the eyebrow hair, and drawing the eyebrow hair is really a time consuming process and needs a lot of patience. So while drawing this you have to be a lot of patient. You have to observe the direction of hair strands. You can see how I'm drawing the hair, and then I'm using a brush to blend them, and again I'm drawing the shadows between the hair and the skin, and also I'm adding more and more shadows on the crease line of the eyelid using the same 6B pencil. In this way, I'll add more and more layers and I'll gradually complete the base of the eye. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel for more tutorials, and stay tuned for the next part.